Welcome back guys to a new video. Today we will continue backtesting our strategy until we make an improvement. So I have built a backtesting engine using cloud code, and right here we can select strategies. We have 4 strategies listed: inverse fair value gap reversal, VWAP mean reversion, opening range breakout, and ADX VWAP momentum exhaustion. This one was copied from SSRN research papers, and let's try to run the backtest on this strategy. Failed to fetch. Let's see why it's not working. Compare Monte Carlo, run Monte Carlo. If this one doesn't work, yeah, okay. Let me screenshot this and I will put this into cloud just so we can reference to him. This error is happening. So I sent him a prompt on what to do, and as you can see, we have an engine here. Basically, he made the code for us, everything. So you can see right now he's using those tokens, and I'll get back to you once he is finished. Until then, let's take a look at Bitcoin a little bit and what repeats on the price chart. So we can see that after market open, price comes into the VWAP standard deviation, and same here. It's not real market open, is it? No, it's not. And Bitcoin has a little different price action, but it doesn't matter, because if we create a strategy that survives randomness, it can survive anything. And this is my main goal, to randomize an environment on which a strategy will run. So this is a Monte Carlo simulation that is also built into this engine. As you can see right here, we just can't run it, we have to wait for Cloud to finish the code. And if the strategy survives randomness with a fairly good amount of win rate and minimized drawdown, we can execute the strategy on our evaluation account. Only thing I am concerned about is if we can execute the strategy on a manual trading, or do I have to make a trading bot just for that, because human intuition is kind of delayed, computer isn't. So we'll see about this. I just wait for Cloud to finish code. Okay, so Cloud finished the code. Now let me just open the terminal and let's run the application, and let's see the error. While attempting to bind the address, only one usage of each socket. Okay, so I think, okay, yeah, okay, so the problem is solved. We have EURUSD, XOUSD, NAS, and BTCUSD tickers available. Now let's go on the Monte Carlo simulation. Let's select XOUSD. Yahoo Finance is not popular. Let's select EURUSD. Doesn't matter. Let's try ADX VWAP momentum exhaustion. Initial capital $10,000. Risk per trade 2%, but I'm going to put 1% just for this case. VWAP deviation threshold. I think this is okay. 0.3. ADX look back. No, I have not really done some research on what the ADX actually is, because this strategy is from SSRN and it's written in PDF document, which I had not read. And let me just take a second and see what this is. Okay, so by the definition, to identify high conviction momentum trades, combine the average directional index or ADX. So I'm guessing this ADX is actually an indication of strong momentum and basically filters out the strategy execution. So it only executes when the volume is high on a specific time. So now let's also ADX look back. I don't know what numbers I have to put here. I'm just going to leave it at default as it is. Stop loss ATR multiplier. I also think this is okay. Ruin threshold, drawdown percentage, simulations. Let's just run it. Let's see what happens. Take some time. Okay. You can see that something is not really working as expected. Resample to historical trades into 1000 bootstrapped equity paths. Data span is from, okay, yeah, so this is the reason why. We can't put anything here, can we? Wait. Okay, we can. Let's put January the 1st, 2020. PM. I'm going to put, okay, and this is the current day. Yeah, so let's run it once again. Oh, it's not working. Why is it not working? Circle trades the range. It hasn't been updated. It's probably because it's Euro USD. Let's try BTC USD. See if it works. Nope, still not. Yeah, we have something here, but this is only from 11th of May. Let's first do this. Let's put Euro USD. First 2020, and let's put it like that. AM risk per trade. I'm going to put 1%. Risk reward 1:2. Minimum daily fair value gap size. I don't think we need this. Okay, with this strategy, now run the backtest. Let's see how it performs. My main model is trading with VWAP, and yes, as you can see, something about the data range doesn't add up, so we'll have to fix this too. So let's copy this problem and just give it to Cloud Code. Just do this. Let's see how Cloud Code is doing. Okay, so it is, okay, I should have set this to maximum level, but okay, doesn't matter. At least I'll save some tokens for the session. So this is the checklist he has to do. Meanwhile, let's take a look at TradingView. So we have, this is kind of confusing to me, because it's not really reacting as expected in this VWAP. And I'll probably have to find another strat. Oh, sorry, this is XRUSD, my bad. This is BTC USD. That's why it's strange to me. So this is, if we wait for market opens right here, and it doesn't come into the in between VWAP standard deviations. So we go to the next day. So the problem are those trending markets which do not reverse, they just continue. I honestly don't know if VWAP is even as smart, if it's even a good strategy to use on Bitcoin, honestly. Because prices like this is where the long position would get triggered, and we just get violated right here. This is a good example, but this is before market open. Now, if this is market open and long position executed here, this would be a very nice trade. Also here, and it's not really performing well. There has to be another strategy for Bitcoin. Problem is nobody really day trades Bitcoin. I mean, they do, but there's not like a lot of people doing it, and therefore I couldn't even find lots of strategies on SSR for Bitcoin because it's just not so oversaturated. People rather trade NQ, futures, gold, and forex. Is most popular instrument category today. But anyways, everything is hard, so I guess just have to push it through. Let's see if cloud finished. It did not. Can I set this in the middle of? I think we can't use the app while he's running, right? Shared 5-minute window. I mean, we can. Just kind of strange because it shut down. Maybe this is actually the problem. It shut down and then it did not save my like this, the data range. But okay, doesn't matter. Drawdown comparison. That shit's diabolical, honestly. Probability of profit 16%. This is very bad, honestly. Nasdaq, even worse. XIUSD. Okay, now this one's a little bit better, but it takes fewer trades. Let's try Euro USD. Okay, almost 0%. So XIUSD performed the best out of all those 4 assets. But data range is still stuck here. So we will let Cloud finish this count, then we will run it again. As you can see, actual final equity. This is the median. Simulation return, actual max drawdown. This would not pass any prop firm, probably. Best case. He's still sweating. Let's look at SSRN. Try to find Bitcoin trading strategy. It probably won't find any results just by searching this, but we can give it a try. Trying to find some research papers on Bitcoin trading strategy and then put them into cloud. Bitcoin trading with quantum belief networks, COVID-19. It's not saying anything about trading strategies. Bitcoin technical trading with artificial neural network, transaction information asymmetry and trading volume. Still working. What else could we Bitcoin reversion, seasonality, trend following mean reversion in Bitcoin. Let's see what this is even about. Abstract, introduction. Okay, Cloud finished coding. Let's run it. py server. While attempting to bind an address, only user saved it. It deleted the Streamlit library. Let's try it again. This time let's oh no. Okay, let's go on this one. This is okay. Euro USD available 5 minute data for. Let's try this one. ADX. Let's run a back test. This time it should compare data. No, it did not. What else should it do right here? Honestly, I'm confused. Yes. Signals require price at the prior session. Stream and over extended view of deviation and evaluated with King index. Let's try giving the research paper the cloud, but instead of using Cloud Code through Visual Studio Code, I just go here. Training strategy. Let's just give him the file. Let's put that. Can you test this strategy on Bitcoin 5-minute bar data from January 1st, 2020 to May 1st, 2026. Account balance 10k euros. Risk per trade 1%. Let's try 2%. Let's put let's try max. What is it? No, actually, you know what? Let's leave it at the extra. So this is what we end up with. This is the mechanics demo on synthetic bars. And as you can see, this line right here is zero cost. And the blue line comes with the cost of fees and slippage. This is the max drawdown percentage and cumulative fees plus slippage. So you can see the strategy is does not have a very good performance on Bitcoin. Maybe it has on something else, but we will see. I will now have to jump over to the charts because market is about to open in 15 minutes, and I will see you in a next video.